All right, you ready, Lot? What?
Ano na naman?
Ano bana something or another.
Yeah. Ano? What?
All right, guys, we are going to go look at another apartment. I actually looked at an apartment right across from where we are staying at right now here, and it was like a box, like a 15 by 15 room, literally a concrete room with an air conditioner, no windows, a bathroom, and no kitchen, no sink inside for like running water for a sink area or anything like that. Empty, nothing in it. An outside kitchen that was beat up, that supposedly you share the area. And they wanted, what did I say, 15? Like 15,000 pesos. Yeah, crazy. So anyways, I've been hunting, and we're gonna go check out another place. It's not General Luna. It's actually a little bit outside General Luna, and so that's where we're gonna head right now. I'll show you the place, and I'll let you know how much they are asking. All right, guys, I don't have my wireless microphone, so I'm taking my time here driving, kind of give you an idea. You know, this is Tourism Road, right? Tourism Road kind of does like a big oval. We're not on the load where all the, oh, you're look at this guy. Look at it, see, look at that. Bang! He don't care. I'm taking it. There are restaurants, there are hotels and everything out on this part of Tourism Road, but not like on the main part, coming out of General Luna. But geez, there's so much going up. That's brand new right there. We watched them build that. There's just so much growth going on this island. Things popping up here, things being renovated here. It is what it is. It is what it is. But I always like coming down this road. It's a little less chaotic, a little less busy. Now, don't get me wrong. There's certain times of the day where it does get busy. But, around 5 o'clock, it's almost 4 o'clock now. But you've got eating places, calendarias out here. There's a laundry place, massage places, motorcycle, bike rental places like right here, a basketball court over here, ice bath. You know what I mean? You want to jump in an ice bath and take an cold ice bath. Another laundry shop. You guys see it. It is nice. Don't get me wrong, it is a very nice. Well, you see all these empty lots here. I wouldn't be surprised if eventually you'll see places. That place there is brand new. We watched them build that. That's like 3 stories. Oh, there goes a cat. You know what? Driving around here in the Philippines, you would think there'd be like dogs and cats all over the place, with cats and dogs running out and all that, but you don't see it. You'll see more rats getting smooshed on the road than you will see a cat and a dog. There's coffee shops out here. There's an ATM machine that probably is empty 99.9% of the time. There's a little pharmacy. Yep, right there's a little pharmacy. Like little coffee places to sit down and gotta watch. I'm driving one-handed, but I am only going top speed 20 kilometers. There's a wellness center, a massage place, another restaurant right there. Little places are tucked back these roads, like hotels, resorts, things like that. What else? Just a little bit of everything. Then you come into the area where a lot of Filipinos live. right through here. There's a pool hall right there. A lot of Filipinos you'll see there hanging out, shooting pool and video. Okay, we got a break. All right, break. All right, we got this. Of course, little store. Nice Ford, huh? Nice Ford. All right, here we go. You see all these homes along here. You don't know what is like a rental, what is like where somebody lives. There's a homestay in there. Tons of homestays tucked all around. Coming up here on the left is where we looked at that first apartment. That apartment from the last video, right? There's a resort up there. We went up, yeah, up there. Here on the left is that apartment that we looked at the other day. And you know what? We drove through here the other evening. I think that same night when it was raining. And guys, it was wet through here. So anyways, we're going to take a left here. All right, left hand. We're going to go up and over a fan bridge. The sun is shining. It is bright. I hope it's not glaring out the camera. But we're going to shoot up over a fan bridge. The place we're looking at is actually one or two barangays up over a fan bridge. This area here, in a couple hours, be a lot of tourists coming up here and enjoying the sunset. It looks like a beautiful evening. Past couple evenings, right around this time, 4 o'clock, it just rained and been raining. 4 o'clock on till 8, 9 o'clock. Let me get up to the bridge here. You'll see there's a bunch of trikes already lined up here. They may be bringing people up here already. Very popular spot. I've done videos on it. You'll get vendors set up along the bridge, and people come up and eat and hang out and enjoy the sunset. Like I said, it's probably empty right now. It's too early. Yeah, there's a couple vendors. You guys will see. There you go. They're just starting to set up. You get some good street food up through here. I've had some. So anyways, here's Afam Bridge. There's your ocean to the right. To your left is where the sun sets. And I'll kick this back on when we get up the road further. All right. This is the next barangay over the bridge. What barangay is this? Let you know. Biton. Biton barangay. Biton. Of course, you got a basketball court. It's just a little barangay here. You see the construction going on. Even out at this end of the island, it's even busy. It's even getting grown up. Resorts and it's crazy. It is great. There goes the hippie guy. Now at night, these places there's for rent. They'll start coming alive. But you look, like all this open land through here. I would say eventually, unless it's protected waterland, mangrove, it'll be built up. I think that's mangrove. Anywhere it's mangrove. That mangrove over there, yeah. You can't. They won't allow it. The DNCR, is that it? DNCR, Department of Natural, whatever it is. They won't allow it. And that is all mangrove over there. That's beautiful. And over here. Right. Don't ask me. If people give instructions and come to this barangay, ask for this person, they'll tell you where we live. People said it's back here. Now, whether or not the apartment is back here or not, I couldn't tell you. This is the thing. Trying to locate people, trying to find places. Go ahead, Lut. Just walk. I'm following Lut. She has the name of the person. So if you come back here, and you ask. It may not even be back here. It might be somewhere else, but maybe the owner is back in here. So I guess we shall find out.
No, that's her.
Oh, that's her. Okay, all right. We did find the owner of the place. She is back in here. So the place is back in here. Check it out. Here we go. This is where this place is at. Rooster Heaven. It even sits up by the mangrove, up on stilts. So can you imagine when it rains? Oh, look at it. Look at the little guys. And the roosters.
They have a road over here, but she said they just put cement, so it's very wet. So
They have a road where?
no, that area over.
Over there.
No, actually, you're not talking about. They were here. This one here. This is what's supposed to be where the renting people goes in here. But
Okay.
because it's wet, you can't.
All right.
come
All right.
over here.
All right. This is the lady. Oh, okay. There's where they put the cement. Okay, so she put the cement
This is the
right here, so we can't walk. But this is the area here. All right. Nice little place. All right. Look at that. Nice little place there. Back here, huh? Telling you, it's all back in there. Well, let's go in and look. Nice sliding door, windows, nice tiled floors. Little, ooh, sounds like she has the air on, so I'll close the door. Is this new? New or renovated?
Yeah, it's new.
Oh, this is a brand new unit here.
yeah.
Okay, brand new unit.
That's nice.
Nice tile floor, nice
I like
paint,
the tiles.
nice air conditioning, nice bed, fully furnished.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have a renter here yet? Or you just put this?
September 20 up to October 20.
Oh, September to October.
Only 1 month.
You have somebody
Yeah.
renting it out for a month already.
8 months.
1 month.
1 month.
1 month.
Yeah, yeah.
Somebody September to October.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, all right. So this is
Wala
brand
pa.
new.
Wala pa.
Nice riff, brand
Pero
new
may
riff.
nakabook ma'am sa September 20 up to October 20.
Yes.
Only 1 month.
Okay.
Yeah. Available today.
Available
Up to-
today.
September
sink.
19. Yeah.
Nice.
October 21 onward.
Water comes with water, utensils. Nice bathroom, huh? Very nice bathroom, nice spacious bathroom. Corner, your sink. All right.
Ang renting man good namin, namo, dili.
And of course, like I said, air conditioned windows.
Long-term.
So anyways,
Long term.
I guess they will Scooby. I'll let you know how much they want for it, Tom. All right, let me explain what's going on here. A nice little place. You can definitely smell it is fresh. It is clean, brand new paint and everything like that. They just listed it. They do have somebody staying for a month, September to October. But let me show you kind of around here. I think looks like there's another one they're putting in here. You guys see this? It is. Are you ready for this price? The price. If you rent per day, say, all right, I'm going to rent it for 1 or 2 days. Like I'm coming along and I'm going to rent it out for 1 day. It's all right, puppy. Remember, act like it's no big deal. If you rent it out for 1 day, it is 1,000 pesos per day. Let me show you the backyard here, though. I know the sun is bright. There's a lizard. Check him out. See that lizard? Here's your backyard. The mangrove back there. And you can see it's up on stilts. However, they do have it on blocks. Partial stilts, partial blocks. This is the side of the place right here. All right. If you rent it out, hello, Koya. If you rent it out for 1 day, it's 1,000 pesos per day. All right. Includes electric. Electric's included. Let me get in the shade here. Electric's included. If you rent it out for a month, for 1 month, all right, it is 20,000 pesos. It includes electric for a month. So it's like, well, what about long term? All right, say I want to do like a long-term lease over a year and everything like that. Are we going to get a deal? Are we going to get a bargain? Nope, 20,000. Nah, sorry. 20,000, guys. You guys seen it? It was small. I was renting our apartment or our house up in Angeles City. I know it's not Angeles City. Beauty-wise, there's no comparison. Price-wise, big comparison. Up in Angeles City, our house, our 2-bedroom house, kitchen, living room, office, wet kitchen outside, 2-car garage, nice little yard, nice area. We were paying $20,000 when we first moved in. It jumped up to like 24 after 5 years or whatever it was. But that's what I'm saying. They want a fortune here for places. I'm sorry, but it's not worth it. It is not worth it. The kind of money that they're asking. And just being online, checking out rental places, siargao rental. I found this Facebook group page and everything like that. 20, 25, 30,000 is what they're getting for like a little room, maybe a bedroom on the side. It's crazy. Sorry, it's not worth it. You might say, well, you're a foreigner, that's what they're going to charge. All these places are geared towards getting foreigners in and getting a place for them. Guarantee you the foreigner that shows up for this place look nice online. Very nice. Very nice place online. Don't get me wrong. I give you a nice outside shot. I show you the inside with the beautiful kitchen, the bathroom, the air conditioned. It is nice. But if I tell you, hey, here's where it's at, and I walk around here, you're going to think twice. You know, is it safe back in here? I'd probably guarantee you 100% it's safe. But they didn't tell you the roosters are here. They didn't tell you this place is loaded full of roosters, which don't bother me. Barking dogs, you know what I mean? That don't bother me. But deception. You can be deceived into booking a place here easily. Anyways, before I wrap this video up, let me kind of just walk through here. I like this area back in here. My concern would be, I would be afraid it would flood. You got the mangroves right here. It is, I think, high tide right about now. But you can see they're building these little bungalows right here. You know, they're all everybody's trying to get rich on this island. I'm telling you, Yamashita's gold is on this island with how they price everything. But that's a little wet. It's even wet as I'm walking through here, which means the tide and water comes up here. It hasn't rained, but that's a cool little like bungalow there. But you could see it's all up on stilts, you know. Yeah, that's wet all through here, and the tide's not even in yet. Anyways, guys, let me kind of just stroll around back here. Hello, my friend. All right, there's a puppy. Look at this little place right here going up, huh? Right here. Typhoon comes through. These little places are gone. But it wouldn't be surprised me one bit if the people through here are building these little bungalows and then going to throw it up. Hi, puppy. They're going to throw them up on like a Airbnb or a website for foreigners to rent. So there it is, guys. Let me know what you think. Put the comments below. Let me know what you think. And this is outside General Luna. You've seen over the bridge and everything like that. Let me know what you think. Leave the comments below, and we'll talk to you later.